Hi everyone, I'm Dane, and today I'm going to be showing you how to trim some bushes using only simple tools, a pair of shears and a pair of lopping shears for the bigger branches. Because until more of you start subscribing and liking my videos, I can't afford gas-powered ones. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please click the subscribe button, give me some support. Thanks. So here is the process of turning this into this. The first step is going to be bringing in the middle area and the highlighted area here to the circumference that you want. Don't worry about making it too round. It's going to look flat right off the bat. Now that the sides have been brought in, start working on the bottom, bringing a rounded shape toward the base. Frequently brush or rake the bush to reveal any branches that you may have missed. Begin taking in the top, forming a rounded edge toward the center. My personal preference is to leave the top a little rough looking and not round it off. Alright, hope you liked the video, hoped it helped. If you have any suggestions or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you hit subscribe, click on some of the other videos I maybe put in here, and show some support. Thanks for watching. Bye.